Computer on Office Automation. MS Access Test. Roman letter 1. Fill in the blanks. A dash is defined as a collection records. 2. Dash data type has no limit to store text. 3. To import table, click dash menus import option. 4. In dash report, each field appear on a separate line with label to its left. 5. Table is an object of dash. 6. In MS Access, for storing Boolean variable, dash data type is used. 7. Page number from dash menu is inserted into the report. 8. Dash data type is used as a link to another database or file. 9. To avoid duplicate entries of the data, dash is set to a field in the table. 10. Dash are used to decide the data to be stored in a field. Roman letter 2. Match the following. 1. Query step-by-step guide. 2. Table no empty values. 3. Records easy data entry. 4. Number sequence operation. 5. Cross tab query. 6. Row heading no limit. 7. Macros a data type. 8. Forms field. 9. Notlel records. Wizard MS Access. Choose the best answer. 1. To get external data from Excel into Access dash is used. A. Table. B. Query. C. External data. D. Document. 2. Each row in a table is termed as dash. A. Record. B. Field. C. Cell. D. Object. 3. Access database files have extension dash. A. .mdb. B. .adp. C. .mde. D. .ade. 4. A link to another database or file. A. Lookup wizard. B. OLE object. C. Hyperlink. D. Auto link. 5. In a table, to move to the next field, dash key is used. Right arrow. B. Left arrow. C. Down arrow. D. Up arrow. 6. Dash is a set of sequence of procedure. A. Macros. B. Queries. C. Report. D. Modules. 7. Control are added to A. Document. B. Table. C. Reports. D. Macros. 8. This is a data type. A. Lookup wizard. B. Row heading. C. Form. D. None of the above. 9. Use this key to create second row in a table data sheet. A. Arrow mark. C. D. 10. Sorting means execute query. B. Arranging record. C. Arranging field. D. Formatting records. Roman letter 4. True or false? Importing from Excel to Access is not possible. 2. A table is a collection of records. 3. A database contains several tables. 4. A data is a collection of files. 5. Changes to the structure of a table can be made in design view. 6. In memo data type, only 225 characters can be stored. 7. In a form, we can sort out more fields at a time. 8. Data can be entered in a number data type. 9. Excel can be exported from Access. 10. Macro is a set of sequence of operation. Roman letter 5. Answer the following. 1. Define database. 2. How will you start Access? 3. List the type of fields available in MS Access. 4. What is a table? 5. What is a query? 6. What is a report? 7. How do you preview and print a form or a report? 8. What are the different types of query? 9. How will you search a record in a form? 10. How will you modify the form design? 11. How current date and time can be added to a form or a report? 12. What is a macro? 13. Give the steps to create a database in Access. 14. What is primary key? 15. How can you print a form? Roman letter 6. Write answers in brief. 1. How can you create a cross-tab query? 2. How do you mean by importing and exporting data? 3. How do you create form? 4. What are the various data type used in table? 5. How can you add objects to record? 6. What are the uses of reports in Access? Write the answers to this question paper and send to me. Thank you very much.